My new room. My bed goes here.
Nice. So proud.
My table goes here. My books go on it.
Yeah.
My books go on it.
And the next page is really cool. I think that's so awesome, Jaden.
Glossary.
Glossary.
Shelf. Bed. It has new things that I learned about.
Good job. That was an awesome book you wrote. Give me a high five.
The end.
Good job.